sleep, but I also didn't watch anything, and I didn't play any games. I sat for hours.
She just sat
I closed my eyes, but I didn't sleep. I just sat because I didn't really sleep before the flight, and but I was too tired to watch anything, but I couldn't sleep, so I just sat there.
And then you had the audacity to message and say, "I'm so bored."
Oh yeah, I had Wi-Fi, so I messaged. I got Wi-Fi, and I said, "Hello, I'm bored."
My goodness. Meanwhile, on my flight, I had a dream about sleep paralysis while experiencing sleep paralysis.
That's so stressful.
Oh,
Yeah, it was a stressful time. I don't know, flights can sometimes be stressful, I feel like.
Yeah.
I get so bored.
The thing that is just beautiful about this is that Mumei had every source of entertainment just at her fingers. But she chose not to do anything and just sit.
iPad, everything. I was so prepared. I downloaded things to watch. But I was too tired to watch anything. Well, I listened to music.
For 7 hours!
For a really long time.
Mumei was like, guys, I've been listening to the same songs. Please
I
said
was listening to one song. I wonder.
One song?
One
Yeah,
song?
I listened to one song a billion times because I wanted to learn it.
I thought I downloaded Wednesday and an anime because it said downloaded, but then it turns out they only downloaded the first episode. I was so sad.
No.
So I decided to watch Frozen 2 and I was crying. I was crying on the plane watching Frozen 2. Wait, this is the conversation after Mumei was like, "Hey Fauna, what did you watch on the plane? What did you watch on the plane?"
I watched Jaws and It.
I watched Frozen 2.
I watched Frozen 2 and I was crying by myself.